Most falls do not happen because you are careless. They happen because your body has not fully woken up yet. In the morning, your muscles are stiff. Your joints are quiet. Your balance system is still adjusting from lying down to being upright. That first trip to the bathroom, the first step out of bed. The moment you reach for a chair or the wall, this is when falls happen most often. Today we are not doing a workout, we are doing a gentle chair routine to help your body wake up safely, calmly, and in control. You can do this routine right after you get out of bed. All you need is a sturdy chair. Your feet should be flat on the floor. Sit tall but relaxed. If at any point you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, simply pause. This routine is about safety, not pushing. Let us begin. First, place both hands on your thighs. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a slow breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Do that one more time. Slow in, slow out. This helps your nervous system shift from sleep into awareness. Now gently lift your shoulders up toward your ears. Hold for a moment and slowly let them drop down. Again, lift and release. Many falls start with tension in the shoulders and neck. And we want to release that tension early. Next, keep your hands on your thighs. Slowly turn your head to the right, only as far as feels comfortable. Hold for a breath and return to center. Now turn your head to the left. Hold and return to center. Your neck plays a key role in balance. Gentle movement here helps your brain understand where your body is in space. Now let us wake up the spine. Sit tall. As you breathe in, gently lift your chest and look slightly upward. As you breathe out, gently round your back and look down toward your lap. Slow and controlled. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Do this 2 more times at your own pace. This movement improves posture and prepares your body for standing later. This is not standing yet. This is your body practicing balance while seated. Notice how your weight moves. This awareness is what protects you later. Take a slow breath in and out. You have already reduced your fall risk. Stay seated, stay calm. Your body is learning safety again. We will now prepare you to stand later, without rushing. Sit tall but relaxed. Slowly shift your weight to the right side. Return to center. Now slowly shift your weight to the left. Return to center. This movement trains your body to recognize weight shifts. Many falls happen because of sudden shifts without awareness. Now place your hands lightly on the sides for support. Lift your right knee slightly. Hold for a breath, lower it back down. Switch to the left knee. Lift, hold, lower, slow and controlled. These small lifts help activate the muscles that protect your hips when you stand or walk. Next, gently extend your right leg forward again. This time slowly draw small circles with your foot. One direction, then the other. Lower the leg. Switch to the left side. Small circles, slow and smooth. Ankles play a major role in balance. Waking them up reduces the risk of sudden slips. Now place both feet flat on the floor again. Take a slow breath in. As you breathe out, gently press your feet into the floor, as if you are rooting yourself into the ground. Hold that gentle pressure for a moment. Then relax. Do this again. This teaches your body how to ground itself before standing. Now let us prepare the upper body. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Gently press your palms together. Hold for a breath. Release. Do this one more time. This simple action activates your arms and shoulders, which are often used instinctively to steady yourself. Next, slowly reach one arm forward, as if reaching for something in front of you. Only reach as far as feels comfortable. Then bring the arm back. Switch arms. This helps coordinate movement between your eyes, arms, and body. Now pause. Notice your breathing. Notice how your body feels more awake and balanced. Before we stand in the next part, we will practice one important skill. Place your hands on the chair again. Lean forward slightly, keeping your back long. Then return to upright. This is the first phase of standing. We are teaching your body this movement slowly and safely. Repeat this gentle lean forward and return 2 more times. No rush, no force. Take one final slow breath here. In the next part, we will carefully transition towards standing readiness, helping you feel confident and steady when you rise from the chair. Your body is doing exactly what it needs to do. Remain seated and allow yourself a moment of calm. This final part is about confidence. Not pushing, not proving strength. Simply reminding your body that it knows how to move safely. Place both feet firmly on the floor. They should be slightly behind your knees. Rest your hands lightly on the chair or on your thighs. Before standing, we will rehearse the movement again. Slowly lean your upper body forward. Feel your weight shift into your feet. Pause here, then gently return to sitting upright. Do this once more. This pause is important. It gives your balance system time to adjust. Now, when you feel ready, we will practice a supported rise. Lean forward again. Press your feet into the floor, lightly push through your hands. Only lift your hips slightly off the chair. You may hover for just a moment, then gently sit back down. That is enough. This small lift teaches your body that standing does not need to be sudden or scary. If you feel comfortable, repeat this one more time. Lift slightly, pause, lower, well done. Now remain seated and take a breath. Many falls happen because people stand too quickly. You are learning a safer pattern. Let us finish with a calming reset. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe in slowly. Feel your belly rise. Breathe out gently through your mouth. Again, slow in. Slow out. This calms the nervous system. Notice how your feet feel on the floor. Notice how your spine feels more upright. Notice how your breathing feels steady. This routine makes a real difference. When you stand, do so slowly. Pause once standing, allow your body to adjust. Reducing fall risk is about being aware. Your body remembers what you practice, and today you practiced safety.